This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey everyone, it's Husky, and today I am going to the mailbox to get the mail, and this is number 3 or 4 of walking to the mail with me, but during a storm. So yeah, it hasn't rained here yet, so I don't know, kind of missed us, but we are in the south, so yeah, this fell down. The limes. Anyways, I'm using my iPod to record this time because it's so much easier than lugging a big camera around. So yeah. I got my package of my Century Ragdoll cat, which I recorded a video of. So yeah. I actually really like this brother. Here's a card, hold on. Okay. Why are there so many cars out during a storm? Why? I think it's all clear. Oh, looky over there. It's only 3 things. Okay. So, I have the mail now. Yeah. Come on. Ooh. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry about the wind, by the way. So yeah, it looks like it's raining over there. It looks like it's gonna come this way. But anyways, we're in the middle of Harvey, the storm right now. So yeah. There's an overview. It's really windy. There's a lot of flowers. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
But if you close your eyes